Welcome to Manage Your QR. At the end of this video, you'll log in to manageyourqr.com. You'll be able to set up an optimized website for a cell phone, smartphone, Android phone in about 15 minutes to get it set up. Anytime after that you have to make a change to a special or running a special promotion, it takes about 5 minutes to make a change on the site. That's actual time, not an exaggeration. This whole video is going to be less than 10 minutes. So you'll see how fast it is to make a change to your website on your phone. All right, let's get started. The very first thing you're going to see when you log in is your customer login. So we're going to do a website today for a company called Mr. Ed's Flagpoles. And Mr. Ed's Flagpole sells flags, banners, telescoping flagpoles, and anything to do with outdoor yard ornaments. So the first thing we'll do is put in his username, which is Mr. Ed Flags, and the password. Notice how I was silent during the password. Login, and that's your opening screen. Okay, on the top of your opening screen there's a message from your distributor, from your sales rep. Basically it's got his telephone number if you have any questions. There's also a help button way up on the top. If you have questions, hit the help button. That'll bring down a PDF folder, a file with a lot of instructions in it. These 5 sections up here have to do with the colors of various parts of the screen, and you adjust the colors with the circle and the square. First you click on the circle, and then that changes the color of the square, and then just click on the square. The first thing we're going to change is the border. I'm going to make the border a little bit thicker by using this slide rail, and that way you can see the color change on the border. First you click the circle, then you click the square, and then you click your border back and forth, and it becomes that color. The next thing is the page, and that is the outside of the whole coupon. First you click the circle, then you click the square, and that's the color of the outside of our coupon. Okay, let's go a little bit further. The slide bar over here determines the shape of the border, so I'm going to leave that all the way over for now. If you don't want to put a logo in there, the logo box gets checked. Otherwise, let's browse for the logo. And this is Mr. Ed's logo right here. Click on it, and that will put the logo up in the logo box way up on top. The next one, so there's your logo up there. And the next one, this is your title box, and the title we're going to use is, let's see here, there it is. I've got these on a sheet off to the side, so I only have to copy and paste it in. I put it in here, and it shows up over here, the original telescoping flagpole. The next thing is the title size. I can make it bigger, or I can make it smaller. I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle. Let's see, how about over there? Okay, that's where I want it, right there. And my next box is a browse box. We'll click on the browse button here. I want to get a picture of the flagpole in the air. That's this picture. This is a larger picture. It'll take a couple of seconds to load. There it is. And now we have a text box in the middle over here. Let me grab my text over here. Here it is right there. Copy and bring it down here and put it in there. Okay. Now we can move this text around in any which way we want. Remember, this is a word process, so first thing I'm going to do is center the whole thing. Click the button and center it. And I want to make this a little bit bigger, and you'll see how much bigger it is actually when you get on the screen. The numbers are a little bit deceiving. They look a little bit bigger than they are. So we're going to make this, I recommend 12 or 14, and that really shows up on your phone nicely. You can highlight different things as you want to. So we'll put over here, see our website for more information, and we'll highlight that. I like highlighting red with yellow background. And we can put that on the next line also. Okay. It's a little bit deceiving as to what you're seeing. I'll pull this over here a little bit so we can see it. Okay. It's a little deceiving. This does not show up exactly as it shows up on your phone. So once you bring it onto your phone, you go back, you may have to make a couple of adjustments, come back into the program, and save it again. Okay, now we're up to our coupon. Browse, find the coupon that you want to use. There's a picture of a flag, and that will fill up our flag box. There it is. Bring that up a little bit higher so you can see it. And let's see, we have my coupon that says, I got this over here. As I said, I have all this pre-typed on the side, so I just have to copy and paste it into the box. First thing I'll do is center it. We'll make this thing look a little bit prettier. Take this away over here. Make this all bigger. Bring it up to size 20 over here with this coupon. Get free shipping. Emphasize the free shipping. And of course, I want you to notice that everything I do over here also shows up on the coupon on the right, so you could see it as it's being created. It may not look exactly the same on the phone, depending on the size of your font. Come into our store, get 10% off any flag. We'll make that bold, italicized, and underline it. And there it is over there, but we also want to make this bigger. Go down to click that on 20. Oops. Let's make that 24. Nope, too big. 22. Okay. So there you have it. There's our coupon. Let's make this red just by itself. And bold. I apologize for the flickering. Every once in a while I hit the wrong button. Okay. Now, this is the meat of the whole program right here. I love this part right here. Click the Call Us button and watch on the bottom. You're going to see, in the center, you're going to see a Call Us box pop up over there. And when somebody clicks on the box, it's going to automatically dial your telephone. They're going to call you right from their phone after scanning this in. Of course, we have to put a telephone number in there for that to happen. So there's the telephone number. We put an email address in there the same way. And somebody pushes the button, it automatically opens the browser for their email. Text us, we could do the same thing again. Do you have a Facebook page? Put it in there. There's your Facebook logo right on there. And our Facebook page is right over here. And then we have a YouTube video explaining how to install the flagpoles into the ground, how much concrete to use. So to put the YouTube video on here, we don't have a special link there. Add a link. And put this link in. It says watch our video. Put the link on this side, and there's the watch our video link right there. We're ready to go. Okay, another custom link. Add another custom link to this one, and this says visit our website. And of course we have to put a website in there, so it'd be Mr. Ed's Flags Pole. I think it's Mr. Ed's Flagpole.com. Hope so. And then we put our name in here. I'm going to put this in a hurry. Okay, I added all the rest of it in there. And I also checked the website and found out I was wrong. It's not, whoops. It's not Mr. Ed's Flagpole, it's just Mr. Ed's Flag. So delete that and put that in there. Okay. Now if you got everything set, we're going to save it. And I'll show you one more thing. Save. By the way, I didn't mention, and I should have, all of these boxes down here do have to be filled in. If there's a part that you don't want filled in, for instance the address, just put a period in there because you do have to have something in that box. Same thing with these, they have to be filled in. If you don't have something filled in, just put a period, and because something does have to be in all those boxes. Now the border around the coupon, or the footer size, I'm sorry, the footer size is down here. We could this area here, we can make the footer bigger, biggest, smallest, and whatever size you do, it'll automatically adjust to your phone. And I just want to take a space or two away from here to put that right up there. And we'll make this just a little bit bigger. Okay. Think I got it. Think I got it covered. I'm a little concerned over this. It looks like it's overlapping, but we'll see what happens when we put it on the phone. Save. you're good to go. Now try your scan bar on your telephone and see what you got. Okay, this is the last section. We want to take you to the actual website. When you originally got your username and password, your distributor also gave you a target. The target shows you on the internet where your site actually is. This is what your site looks like on the internet. The pictures are way big. The titles and everything are way small. There's your title that shows up. But what we really want to do here is check out your buttons to make sure they work properly on the bottom of the screen. Can't do anything about the call us button. There's no way to call on your computer like that. Email us, you click on it and it should bring up an email browser with the proper email address in it. And sure enough, there it is. And the same thing will happen on your phone. Watch the video. That's going to bring up a video of okay, and further down, visit our website, and there's the Mr. Ed website. So you got all your buttons working properly. And now the next thing to do is check it on your phone. Get your QR code out, get your phone out, and scan it. You'll see how beautiful it looks. It fits the phone perfectly. All your buttons work properly, and anybody that scans your code will go right to that site. Anytime you want to make a change, just log in, make your change, log out. Sign out, submit, save, and you're done. That's it. Any other questions that you might have, give us a call, 515-779-7702, or pull on the help button on your screen, and you'll see there's an awful lot of information on that help button. That's right up on the, going to get you up to the top of the screen there. Over this way. There it is. There's the help button on the top of the screen. When you click on that, you'll see a PDF file fall down, and that's got all the information that you need on it. So there you have it. Everything's in there. If you have any questions, give us a call and tell your friends. I appreciate it. Don't forget to log out when you're finished. The log out button is way up on the top of the screen. I'll pull that out there too. Log out button's way up there. Click the button to log out. Thank you. Have a great day.